Right, let's see. Who we got? Come here. Come here, you lot. Oh. Hey, not in my ear, please. Oi, squawkies. Squawkies. I've got the hose hanging over my chair. With a bit of a signal to Mr. Pooh. That the waterworks might be on if he starts, or sorry, continues being an absolute Mr. Super Pooh. Hello, Burb, on my foot. Hello. Oh, greetings, hanging off down here. You coming up? You coming up? What you doing? You gonna come up? Come on. Come up. Oh, you're not going to. Oh, really? You're chew my ear, are you? Hey? What about you? What you doing? Hey? Hey, beautiful. Hello. Double verbs. Come on. There we go. A bit calmer now. Hello, birds in the tree. Hello, Fax Birbie. Faxy. Faxy, come on, Faxy. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Birbulators. A lot more calm in the farm at the moment. Well, that was a landing. You skidded in, pushed all the seed off. And then got buggered off. Thank you. Seed down my shirt. Excuse me. Thank you. You can't take the tray with you as much as you want to. Peekaboo, baby. Hey. 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 Get your beaks in. Hello. Is that a foot bird? It's a foot bird. It's a foot. Oh, it's a beaky. It's a pecky bird. It is a foot bird though. Uh-oh. Excuse me. Hey. Got Mr. Pooh. A direct shot. Come on. Back you come. See, it's not after you, boobies. It's going to be very quiet now. They're going to work out why he's got a hose here. Once the connection's made, that, oh, geez, you got a grip. You right there? You got to hold on this situation here. Really? What do you reckon? Yeah? Hey, beakeries. Hello. Hey. Hey, head burbs, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when a head burb lands on you? Hey, come on. There's a junior Mr. Pooh. Hello, come on. Senior Pooh has run off somewhere else, and this is the junior Pooh. Gotcha. You falling off the perch? What you doing, eh? Falling off the perch? Peckle, 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 peckle. Hello. Yes. Chasing Mr. Pooh Jr. Hello. Come on. Come on. Can you come? Come on. Hey. You're gonna come over this side? Come on. Come on. Hey. What you doing? What you doing? Hey? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Beaky. Come on, you want some? How much? What am I going to do? Send you an invite via Birbs. Oh, thank you, Hong Kong. Thank you, Hong Kong Birb. Hey, oh, it's a foot bird. It's a foot bird. Hong Kong. Hong Kong Birb. Hello. Sorry? Okay. Hey, come on. Come on. Hey, what you hanging off my ear? Hey? Come on. Hello. Hey. Oh, yeah. Magic Munchkins. Hello, Hong Kong. Oi, Hong Kong. Thank you. What are you doing, eh? Cheeky. Cheeky. Hong Kong. Oh no, the witch is out. Wicked Witch of the West's gone past. She didn't look at me this time. Maybe the council's oh, fit baby. The council might have said something. I've been hearing lots of stories from the neighbours. Apparently an absolute joy to live with in terms of the block. Not. Hey! Oi, Paxville. Paxville. Come on. Hong Kong. Oh, hey. What's all that about? Hey. Oh, beg your pardon, Birbies. Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Hey? Oh, bye-bye. Head Birbies, what you doing? Swap a verb. Here comes, what is that, junior poo behind the tree or senior poo? Oh no, it's a junior poo. Now, are we going to be trying to bowl over anyone? Speaking of, hello, yes. Oh, yeah, right. Hello. 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 What are you going to say? Me? Anything? Yeah? You want some more? You do? Oh, look at that. Grabberies, grabberies. You want to get the beakery in. You hungry, Birbs? Do I get a sneaky little pat on the foot? Yeah? Whoop. Head Birbs, what you gonna do? Hey, hungry Birbs. Come on. Hello. There's the witchy poo again. Hey. Whoop. Head Birburies. Whoop. Other little one. Hey. Hey. Hello. Hello, I'm Mr. or Mrs. Birb. Is that Tina up there? Oh, thank you, Head Birbs. You can come in from above? Well, yeah, you're up to... No. No. I spy with my little eye a beak from above. Whoop. Beakeries. Whoop. Head Birburies. Hello, Beakery. Double Munch and Crunch. Stereo. Hello. Is that Tina Turkey? Is that a Tina Turkey? I believe it is. Oh, hello, Birb, it is you. Hello. Hello. You want some more hello? More hello?